Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this is the requested video. The topic is representation of data. The subtopic is the combined sets of data. The question is from October-November 2013, variant 63, question 4. Barry weighs 20 oranges and 25 lemons. For the oranges, the mean weight is 220 grams and the standard deviation is 32 grams. For the lemons, the mean weight is 118 grams and the standard deviation is 12 grams. Okay, part 1. Find the mean weight of the 45 fruits. So 45 fruits means 20 oranges and the 25 lemon. Okay, in order to answer the part 1, we are finding the mean weight of 45 fruits. First, we must find out the total weight of 20 oranges. So we write down the info given. The mean of orange is 220 grams given by the questions here. And the number of oranges given is 20. Okay, so using the mean formula for oranges is the total weight of these oranges divided by the number of oranges. And the mean given 220. This is number of oranges 20. So we are able to find total weights of these 20 oranges to be 220 multiplied with 20. Okay, so we calculate, we find out the value to be 4400. And then we do the same thing for the mean of the lemon is given as 118. And there are 25 lemons. So the mean of the lemon is the total weight of the lemon divided by the number of lemon. So mean given, total weight of lemon is what we need to determine, and there are 25 of them. So we find total weight of the lemon is 118 times 25. By using calculator, we should get the value 2950. Okay, once we have found this total, we should be able to get the mean of all 45 fruits, and which is the total weight of the orange plus the total weight of the lemon divided by the total of number of orange plus the number of lemon. So this is the combined sets of data. So this is 4400. This is 2950. The number of orange got 20 and 25 lemons. All right. So once we get this value to be 490 divided by 3 and 163 once we round up to 3 SF. All right, so that is the mean weight of these 45 fruits, which is 163 grams. Okay, that is the answer for part 1. Okay, now we look at the part 2. The individual weights of the oranges in grams are denoted by XO, like orange. And the individual weights of the lemons in grams are denoted by SL, the lemon. By first finding sigma x squared for the orange and sigma x squared for the lemon, then we can find the variance of the weight of the 45 fruit. Okay, so now we are looking for part 2. So since the standard deviations, I'm using the sigma total percent of orange is given as 32 gram, right? 32 gram. So we have the standard deviation formula. For the orange, we find the square root of sigma x square of the orange divided by the number of orange minus the mean of orange square. Okay, we have all the value put in. And sigma x square is what we need to find out. Right, we have 20 oranges, and the mean of oranges is given as 220 by the questions. Okay, now we should be able to calculate the sigma x square for the orange. And so what happened is 32 needs to be square because of the square root, right? Bring it to the other side, becomes square. And minus 220 gram will becoming plus 220 square. And this number divided by 20, right? So bring it to the other side, become multiply 20. Okay, so let's use calculator, and we found the value 988,480. All right, now we're trying to do the same for the lemon. So standard deviation for lemon is given as 12 grams. 12, okay, I write down the formula again, equals to square root sigma x squared for the lemon, and this is what we need to find out, the end of the, okay, this one, the end of the lemon, okay, then minus the means of the lemon square. Okay, this one is 12, and this is what we need to find out, divided by 25 lemons minus the mean of lemon given by the question 118 and need to be squared. So we can calculate the sigma x squared for the lemon. All right. So again, square root square, it becoming square, and it's going to be 12 square. Minus 118 square become plus 118 square. And divided by 25, now bring it to the other side, become times 25. So we are getting the value of sigma x squared for the lemon is, using calculator and find out, 351700. All right, so since we have found the sigma x squared for the orange and the lemon, now we are going to get the standard deviations of all these 45 fruits. So we look for the standard deviations of all. So using the formula, we are going to look for the total of the x squared for oranges plus with the total of the x squared for the lemon, and divided by total of both of the oranges and the lemon, then minus the mean, right, of all. And the mean of all, which is actually this sigma x of the oranges plus the sigma x of the lemon divided by n of oranges and lemon, and need to be squared. All right. So with the value we have, sigma x squared for the orange is found to be 988,480. Then for the lemon, sigma x squared is 351700 divided by total 20 plus 25. And we know this is actually the mean of all 45 fruits, and we found in the part 1. So instead of using the 163, the round off to 3SF figure, I'm taking the 490 over 3, the exact value, divided by 3. Okay, then, so as the question is looking for the variance, right, instead of standard deviations, so what do? We actually can look for the square. And hence, we do not need the square root. All right, so I'm going to erase the square root. Okay, then just use the calculator and we found 3104. Or we can write down as 3100 3 as the 3SF. All right, then now we have found the variance for these 45 fruits to be 3100, round off to 3SF. The answer for part 2. Okay, so that's all for the questions. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.